Students, in the last class we discussed about square completion method. What is square completion method? If the second degree equation is in the form ax square plus bx equal to c, then here we have to add the square of half the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is b and half the coefficient of x is b by 2. Add the square of half the coefficient of x on both sides. Okay, like this we calculated the value of x. And today we are going to learn about the second method. Second method is quadratic equation method. So listen, if the second degree equation is in the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If the equation is in the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then we have to find the value of x by using the equation x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. It is the important equation to find the value of x of the quadratic equation. The second degree equation is also known as quadratic equation. If the equation is in the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then we have to find the value of x through the equation minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And here the a denotes the coefficient of x square. Here the coefficient of x square is a denotes this coefficient of x square, then b denotes coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is b. Then c is the constant term. C is the constant term. These are the terms. And in this equation, b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. B square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Here there are three conditions. If the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 means positive numbers, then there is two solutions. Then we get the two solutions. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then there is two solutions. Then second condition, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0 means negative number. B square minus 4ac is less than 0, then there is no solution. There is no solutions. Then third condition, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, if the value of b square minus 4ac is 0, then there is only one solution. These are three main conditions. Okay. So what is the equation to find out the value of x? If the equation is in the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then value of x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. It is an important equation. All of you studied. Okay. And a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. Understood now? Now let's see some problems. First question. Find the value of x if the equation is in the form x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. And here x equal to, what is the equation to find out the value of x? X equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here what is the value of b, a and c? A denotes coefficient of x square. Here the coefficient of x square is 1. 1 into x square is x square. So the coefficient of x square is 1. That is a is 1. Then b is coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is 5. So B is equal to 5. Then C is the constant term. Here constant term is 6. So A equal to 1 and B equal to 5, C equal to 6. Now apply these values in this equation. Okay. Minus B. Value of B is 5. That is minus 5 plus or minus square root of B square. Value of B is 5. So 5 square minus 4 into, what is the value of A? 4 into A into C. A is 1, C is 6. So 4 into 1 into 6 divided by 2 into A. That is 2 into value of A is 1. 2 into 1. That is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 5 square is 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is 25 minus 4 into 1 4. 4 into 6 24 divided by 2 into 1 is 2. That is minus 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 24. 25 minus 24 is 1 divided by 2. That is x equal to minus 5 plus or minus, what is the square root of 1? 1 into 1 is 1. Therefore, square root of 1 is 1 itself divided by 2. That is x equal to minus 5 plus or minus 1 divided by 2. Here the value of b square minus 4ac. Value of b square minus 4ac is 1. We get the value of b square minus 4ac is 1. It is greater than 0. If the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then there is how many solutions? There is 2 solutions. Here the b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, that is 1. Then there is 2 solutions. That is x equal to minus 5 plus 1 divided by 2. Here there is plus or minus, no. So you can split here, okay. Minus 5 plus 1 divided by 2 and x equal to minus 5 minus 1 divided by 2. Minus 5 plus 1 divided, minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 divided by 2. Minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2. Here minus 5 minus 1. Both signs are minus. So minus minus, minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6. Minus 6 divided by 2. Minus 6 divided by 2 is minus 3. So value of x are x equal to minus 2 and x equal to minus 3. Understood? Now the second question, x square minus 3x equal to 10. So it is not in the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we have to convert this into the form equal to 0. It is in the form ax square plus bx equal to c. So first you have to convert this in the form x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So you shift this 10 to this side, okay. That is x square minus 3x. Then here it is plus 10. So plus 10 becomes minus 10 equal to 0. Now this equation is in the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 into a. Here what is the value of a? A is Coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 1. Then coefficient of x. B is coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is 3 and the sign of 3 is minus. So coefficient of x is minus 3. Then C is the constant term. Here constant term is 10 and its sign is minus. So C is minus 10. Now apply these values. Minus B, that is minus, value of B is minus 3. Minus of minus 3 plus or minus square root of B square, that is minus 3 square minus 4 into 1 into value of A is 1 into C. C is minus 10 into minus 10 divided by 2 into A. Value of A is 1. 2 into 1. That is minus minus becomes plus 3 plus or minus square root of minus 3 square. Minus 3 into minus 3 is 9. Minus here is a minus, here also a minus is there. So minus into minus is plus. Then 4 into 1 4. Then 4 into 10 40. Divided by 2 into 1 is 2. That is x equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 9 plus 40. 9 plus 40 is 49 divided by 2. That is x equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 49 is 7 divided by 2. Here also the value of b square minus 4ac is positive, greater than 0. So there is 2 solutions. That is x equal to 3 plus 7 divided by 2 and x equal to 3 minus 7 divided by 2. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Here 3 minus 7. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. Minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2. Therefore, value of x are x equal to 5 and x equal to minus 2. Okay. Next, open page number 97. The first question. The perimeter of a rectangle is 42 meter and its diagonal is 15 meter. What are the lengths of its sides? Given the perimeter of rectangle is 42. So here you first draw a rectangle. Its diagonal is, length of its diagonal is 15 meter. Given perimeter is 42 meter. What is the equation to find out the perimeter of rectangle? 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth is 42. Therefore, length plus breadth is 42 divided by 2. That is length plus breadth equal to 21. Here you put the value of b as x. Breadth is x. Then what is length? We have the sum of length and breadth is 21. That is length plus breadth is x equal to 21. Therefore, length is 21 minus x. So, length of rectangle is 21 minus x. Okay. Let breadth of the rectangle is x, then length equal to 21 minus x. Now consider the triangle ABC. Here ABC is a right angled triangle, and in this triangle base is 21 minus x, altitude or height is x, and hypotenuse is 15. Here use the Pythagoras theorem and find the value of x. Okay, by using Pythagoras theorem, what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus altitude square. Altitude means height. Now apply these values. Hypotenuse is 15. So 15 square equal to base is 21 minus x whole square plus altitude is x square. Then 15 square is 225. 15 into 15 is 225 equal to, here 21 minus x whole square. It is in the form x minus y whole square. What is x minus y whole square? X minus y whole square is x square plus y square minus 2xy. It is x minus y whole square. But here it is 21 minus x whole square. 21 minus x whole square expanded by using this equation. That is 21 square plus y square. Here y is x. Therefore it is x square minus 2 into x into y. Here x is 21 into y. Y is x. That's equal to 21 square. 21 square is 441 plus x square minus 2 into 21 is 42x. So 21 minus whole square is 441 plus x square minus 42x. Now apply this value here. It is 441 plus x square minus 42x, then plus x square, that is 225 equal to, here add x square. X square plus x square is 2x square, then minus 42x plus 441. It is not in the form equal to 0. So convert this in the form equal to 0. Okay, that is 2x square minus 42x plus 441, and here it is 225. Shift this to this side. That is 225 becomes, here it is plus 225, it becomes minus 225. 225 equal to 0. That is 2x square minus 42x, 441 minus 225, 441 minus 225, 216 plus 216 equal to 0. Now here the coefficient of x square is 2, so divide all the terms by 2, that is 2x square by 2 is x square minus 42x by 2 is 21x plus 216 by 2, 108 equal to 0. Now it is in the form x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Value of a is 1. Value of b is coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? Minus 21. b is equal to minus 21. and c is the constant term, that is 108. Now find the value of x by using the equation minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Apply the values. Here minus b is minus of minus 21 plus or minus square root of b square. Here minus 21 whole square minus 4 into a into c, 4 into 1 into 108 divided by 2 into a. What is the value of a? 1. That is equal to minus minus becomes plus. So plus 21 plus or minus square root of minus 21 square. 21 square is 441. So minus 21 into minus 21 is 441 minus 4 into 1 is 4. Then 4 into 108. 4 into 108 is 432 divided by 2 into 1 is 2. That is x equal to 21 plus or minus square root of 441 minus 432 is 441 minus 432 is 9 divided by 2. Here also the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So there is two solutions. 21 plus or minus square root of 9 is 3 divided by 2. That is x equal to 21 plus 3 by 2 and x equal to 21 minus 3 by 2. 21 plus 3 is 24. 24 by 2 is 12 and 21 minus 3 is 18. 18 by 2 is 9. So there are two values for two solutions for x. X equal to 12 and x equal to 9. Question is, what are the length of its sides? We have to find out the length of breadth and length. So first you take x equal to 12. We get x equal to 12 and x equal to 9. If breadth x equal to 12, then length is equal to 21 minus x, that is 21 minus 12, 9. Then if breadth x equal to 9, then length equal to 21 minus x, that is 21 minus x is 9. 21 minus 9, 12. Okay, if x is 12, breadth is 12, then length is 9. If breadth is 9, then length is 12. Next, second question. How many consecutive natural numbers starting from 1 should be added to get 300? Here the question means natural numbers starting from 1 should be added to get 300. That means sum of the natural numbers is 300. What is the equation to find out the sum of natural numbers? That is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. It is the sum of the natural numbers. So it equals 300. Here we have to find out the total number of terms. So here n denotes total number of terms. So find the value of n here. So here shift 2 to the right side, that is 300. Here it is division, so it becomes multiplication. 300 into 2. This is an important question. N into n plus 1 equal to 300 into 2 is 600. Now here multiply. N into n is n square plus n into 1 is n equal to 600. Now convert this in the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is n square plus n. 600 becomes minus 600 equal to 0. Value of a is coefficient of n square 1. Value of b is coefficient of n. It is also 1. Then value of c is constant term, that is minus 600. Where sign of 600 is minus. So c is minus 600. That is x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Minus b. What is the value of b? b is 1. That is minus 1 plus or minus square root of b square. That is 1 square minus 4 into value of a is 1 into value of c is minus 600 divided by 2 into 1. That is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square is 1. Then here minus minus becomes plus 4 into 6, 24. So 600 into 4 is 2400 divided by 2 equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 2400 is 2401 divided by 2. That is minus 1 plus or minus, this is square root of 2401, 49. 50 square is 2500. Then 49 square is 2401. Square root of 2401 is 49 divided by 2. Here the value of b square minus 4ac is positive. So there is 2 solutions. That is x equal to minus 1 plus 49 divided by 2 and x equal to minus 1 minus 49 divided by 2. So minus 1 plus 49 is 48. 48 divided by 2 is 24. Here minus 1 minus 49 is minus 50. Minus 50 divided by 2 is minus 25. Here it is not x, n. So value of n is, there are two values, n equal to 24 and n equal to minus 25. So total number of terms, it is in negative. So here we take n equal to 24. So to get the sum 300, we have to add 24 natural numbers. We have to add 24 natural numbers. To get the sum 300. Okay, understood now? Here the 4th chapter is completed. Then the next chapter is trigonometry that we discussed in the next class. Okay.